Today we're going to do just like a little fun simple craft with some supplies we got from Hobby Lobby, and we are going to build these cute snowman decorations. So the supplies we use to make this are, we're going to use the hot glue gun. I have 3 extra sticks just in case, and then we have some metal Christmas hooks. You can pick these up at Dollar Tree, like a big pack of them for $1, but since I was at Hobby Lobby, I went ahead and picked these up at Hobby Lobby. I also picked these up at Hobby Lobby. There's 1, 2, 3, 6 on this one. I don't think there's not. Yeah, there's only, yeah, no, there is 6 on that one too. They just look smaller. But yeah, so I picked up 2 packs of these at Hobby Lobby. These were $2.99. I also picked up 3 spools of the Christmas ribbon, and then the lighter. I will show you what we're going to use that for later. And then of course you need some craft scissors. First thing we're going to do is take and lay 3 of them out together, and then you want your smallest one to be up on top. They're all about basically the same size, but this one was slightly smaller, so I put it at the top. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to open these up and take them out, and we're going to bend them around the middle sections to connect them here and here to make our snowman. Bent together. So now we're going to move these, and we're going to get our ribbon out. I picked the green. So what you do with the lighter, which I've already done, is you barely take the tip of it and you burn the tips of the ribbon, and it keeps your ribbon from unfurling while you're using it. So next thing we're going to do is your top 2 rings, we're going to take the ribbon and tie it in a bow around the top like a scarf. You can also just double knot it if you want. I just thought the bow would look nicer. All right, Sarah, tie it. So now that we have our ribbon on here, which I did this about like 1 arm's length from the tip of my fingers to my shoulder or to my chin, because I wanted it to be like a really big bow on here. If you don't, you could probably use half of what I used, or you can trim it whenever you're done. But I thought it looked really neat once it's hanging to have like a loose bow on it. So the next thing I did was, since my ribbon has snowflakes on it, I picked one of the bigger snowflake buttons on here. And the cool thing about this is that it's not going to have any holes on it, because it was one of those where like it had a loop on it. But all I did was cut the loop off. And now all I'm going to do is take the hot glue gun and then hot glue that right in the center of it. This one you want? Here.
Oh wait, hers.
Oh wait, hers is red, yours is green. And all 4 of them are done. This one is
Mine.
Say your name.
Rebecca.
This one's mine, or Mommy's. This one is
Madeline.
and this one is
Sarah's.
Yeah, I thought about putting the Noel button in the middle of mine, but then I wanted to just leave it like it was for this one. But you can also put buttons over the wire in the middle, like Sarah did. I've also seen where people wrap them in twine, or not twine, but the hemp that was tied around these whenever we went to separate them out. But that's how we're leaving it. So that's it for our little easy snowman craft for Christmas.
Thanks for watching. Bye.